Hi everyone and welcome to Storytime with Kate. Quite often in the class of preschool children we do meditations. Meditations might be part of the rest time routine or sleeping, or they might just be part of the mindfulness program. They are becoming more and more popular because children nowadays are quite anxious and they might feel unsettled. So meditating is really good for this age group, and it should be simple, not very complex. I will share a few meditations with you over the next few video talks, but we'll start with one of the easiest one. This one is called Happiness Collage. So children should be given old magazines and pictures they can cut out from the magazines to create a collage of happiness. For example, here you can see that nature makes me happy. I like to see animals. I like to spend time in my garden and ride my bicycle. And I love the earth. While children can find their own pictures and create a collage of happiness. So there are certain things you can encourage them to do. For example, eating ice cream as an example of pleasure, or hugging a family member or a dog or a cat or any other pet. Also playing with friends. So you can kind of prompt them with examples, sharing your examples, of course. So, for example, what makes me happy when I have good sleep, yes, and can fly on the plane and see the earth, when I have a tent in the park. So yeah, so giving you examples really helps children. It shouldn't be abstract, so usually children quite hands-on learners and hands-on thinkers, so you can help them to create this collage. So after everyone finished, you can display them as part of your documentation and discuss which ones of these happiness activities, experiences can be short-term pleasures and which ones will be long-term pleasures. So for example, will stay forever. You can eat ice cream, but it gives you a short-term pleasure. While if you love your mom, love your family, love your sister, brother, your friends, this is more long-term happiness. Try it and tell me how did you go. Have fun with children. Bye.